This is Blizzard, a beautiful, beautiful husky mix, or husky mal mix, only 4 months old, full of puppy fun. Oh yes, look at you. Aren't you beautiful? Say yes, and I want to play. I need somebody to play with, have some fun with, treat me good, give me lots of food, not ever let me run away again, right? Or get dumb. Oh, what a beautiful little girl. Blizzard will need some patience, just to train her, but very, very smart. Won't take her any time if you'll do it with positive methods. She just wants some love. Don't you, baby? Look here.